Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rachana EU, pursuing BE first semester in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about application of polar coordinates. Mathematical application of polar coordinates. Introduction to polar coordinates. Polar coordinates represent point in a plane using a distance from the origin and an angle. They are often used in mathematics to describe circular or radial phenomenon. Polar coordinates consist of radial coordinate r and an angular coordinate theta. Polar points are written in the form r, theta. Theta has an angle with the initial side of the polar axis and terminal side of theta degrees or radians. Converting Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinates. To convert Cartesian coordinates x, y to polar coordinates r, theta, we can use the formula r is equals to root over x square plus y square and theta is equals to tan inverse of y by x. This conversion is useful in applications such as mapping systems or navigation. Polar coordinates provide a more initiative representation for circular patterns. Graphing polar equations. Polar equations are equations that relate the two variables r and theta. Graphing polar equations helps visualize patterns and shapes in a polar coordinate system. Example of polar equations include chordoids, roses and lemicons. Calculating areas in polar coordinates. Polar coordinates can be used to calculate areas of regions bounded by polar curves. The formula for finding the area of a region in polar coordinates is A is equals to 1 by 2 integration of theta 1 theta 2 r square d theta. This application is particularly useful in physics and engineering, where polar coordinates are often used to model rotating objects. Calculating arc length in polar coordinates. Arc length is the distance along a curve in a polar coordinate system. The formula for finding the arc length of a polar curve is L is equals to integration of theta 1 theta 2 root over r square plus dr by d theta whole square into d theta. This concept is applied in various fields such as physics, astronomy and engineering to measure distance along curve. Harmonic motion in polar coordinates. Harmonic motion such as oscillations can be described using polar coordinates. Simple harmonic motion can be represented by equation r is equals to a plus b cos theta. Polar coordinates allow for a concise and initiative representation of periodic motion. Simple harmonic motion. The velocity can be found by differentiating the displacement. V is equals to dx by d theta, where d by d theta of a cos theta omega t plus pi. These figures illustrate the effect of gamma. Applications in electrical engineering. Polar coordinates are commonly used in electrical engineering to analyze alternating current circuits. AC signals can be represented by phasor, which are complex numbers in polar forms. Phasors simplify calculations involving AC circuits such as calculating voltage, current, and impedance. Conclusion. Polar coordinates provide a useful alternative to Cartesian coordinates in various mathematical applications. They are particularly effective in representing circular or radial phenomenon. Understanding polar coordinates expands our ability to analyze and solve problems in mathematics, physics, engineering, and other fields. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.